Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to open Hyundai Accent bonnet. Start by sitting in the driver's seat and locating the release lever on the kick panel under the dashboard, then pull it until you hear a pop. Walk to the front, place a hand under the hood center to find the safety latch, push or lift the latch, and raise the bonnet fully, securing it with the prop rod or confirming gas struts hold it. When inside the car, check the release lever carefully and ensure your foot placement is stable before pulling. If the lever feels stiff, use steady pressure and a slight wiggle to free the cable without forcing it hard. Flash a light under the dash to inspect for detached clips or debris that might bind the cable, and clear any obstruction so the lever returns smoothly after release. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more car tips. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to read manuals and repair guides under the hood without glare, and it's compact to carry to the garage. I really like keeping a digital copy of the service manual handy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. At the front, stay centered and keep fingers clear of pinch points while locating the secondary latch beneath the hood edge. Feel for the release tab and either push it to the side or lift it up, depending on your Accent's design. Once the latch releases, raise the bonnet slowly and secure it with the prop rod or verify the struts hold. Never rely on a partial catch when performing maintenance or inspections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.